Act up. It means to misbehave or cause trouble. The kids acted up during the family gathering, making a lot of noise. My cat always acts up when I have visitors. The strongest synonyms. Cut up. The children were cutting up during the assembly, making everyone laugh. He always cuts up at family gatherings, telling silly jokes. Play up. The children played up during the family dinner, refusing to sit still. Her students always play up when there's a substitute teacher. Act out. The toddler acted out by throwing toys around the room. He acted out in frustration when he didn't get his way. Clown around. He spent the entire afternoon clowning around instead of working on his project. Stop clowning around and get serious about your studies. Horse around. The boys were horsing around in the playground and got hurt. They were horsing around in the backyard instead of helping with the chores. Mess around. The boys messed around in the library, disturbing other readers. Stop messing around and focus on your homework. Play around. The students were playing around in class instead of listening to the teacher. Stop playing around and finish your chores. Mess about. The kids were messing about in the living room and broke a lamp. She told her younger brother to stop messing about and focus on his homework. Show off. He kept showing off in class by making silly noises. The kids were showing off to impress their friends. It also means to malfunction or not work properly. My stomach is acting up after eating that spicy food. The printer acted up and jammed right before the deadline. The strongest synonyms. Act funny. The TV is acting funny again, it won't turn on. His car is acting funny and making strange noises. Go haywire. The entire system went haywire after the update. My phone went haywire and started opening random apps. Play up. Her car has been playing up again, refusing to start this morning. The washing machine is playing up, leaving the clothes soaking wet. Play tricks. My computer is playing tricks on me, the screen keeps flickering, the clock has been playing tricks lately, showing the wrong time. Break down. The elevator broke down in the middle of the ride. His old laptop broke down during an important presentation. Go off. The alarm went off unexpectedly in the middle of the night. Her phone went off during the meeting, even though it was on silent mode. Give out. The engine gave out halfway through the trip. Her voice gave out after singing for hours. Flip out. The machine flipped out and wouldn't stop printing pages. The software flipped out when I tried to run the program. Glitch out. The game glitched out and froze on the loading screen. Her phone glitched out, causing her to miss the call. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.